Have you ever wondered how to spot those Shopify stores making over 5K a day and replicate their success? Are you spending hours on TikTok waiting for the right ads to pop up so that you can analyze winning businesses? Stick around because I'm about to share with you my go-to strategy for finding successful stores in just 10 minutes. I'll show you how to uncover these high-performing stores using a free tool and then break them down with a powerful Chrome extension. This extension reveals everything from the theme they use, the apps they rely on, to their best-selling products and even more. While most people struggle to find brands or stores to inspire their Shopify journey, this method feels almost like cheating, and it works every time. First thing you have to do is come to this website, myip.ms. This looks a little bit outdated, but believe me, this is a website that you'll be using from now on. This is very powerful. All you have to do is go to websites and to World Websites Database. And in here, you'll be able to sort all the Shopify stores by name. And to do that, you'll have to come in here to IP owner, parent IP owner or hosting, and search in this list Shopify Inc. Once you've selected Shopify there, you just have to go back here and add a full name you're searching for or part of the website name. So for example, if you're looking for pet supplies, you may want to type in here pet, and then you're just going to search. So now you're actually sorting all the Shopify websites by this keyword. So all the Shopify websites that contain pet in their name. The results down below are listed based on their popularity and traffic. This one, for example, is number one for us for this search, but is number 81,711 for the world site popular rating. If you're gonna click on this icon over here, you can open the website up and you can look at it. This is a pet supply store and it's probably a dropshipping store, as I can see some products that look like they are imported directly from AliExpress, like this one and this one. Anyways, this is in Portuguese because this is from Brazil. Let's scroll further and see other stores. This one sells pets food. If we scroll lower, we can find some other ideas. But if you don't find ideas that are inspiring in this results, you can go and add different names and different keywords people might include in their brand name. For example, if you like corgis, you may want to type here corgi and search for that and see what results you may find and open them up, check them out and see if it's something that you're interested in. You can find all sorts of stores in here, from dropshipping to print on demand and so on. Now that you've found a Shopify store worth analyzing, it's time to dig into the details. Here's where the Chrome extension comes in. It's like having a backstage pass to their operations. With just one click, you can uncover everything powering this store's success. After searching on myip.ms, you found a store or a list of stores that you like, and you can see their landing pages. You can see how the layout looks like. You can see the products on the store, and you might have some questions like what apps they are using, what theme are they using, where different snippets from their store come from. Is it a customization they made? Is it an app? So usually to find out what theme a store uses, you can go and inspect that store, then go in here in elements and press Command F for find, and then type in their theme. And usually for themes that haven't been heavily customized, you might find the version and the type of the theme, but for most of the stores you won't find anything in here. If the store owner has changed the name of the theme in their dashboard, then you won't be able to find out what type of theme that store uses. So in most cases, you won't be able to say what theme they are using. Next, if you want to find out what apps they are using, you might be able to find that out. But again, you will have to go and inspect the store, then go to the head tag, look for a script like this. You may have to open more of them, but I know that this one is the one that I'm looking for. And in here, you'll find the async load function. This function holds all the scripts from the apps they are using, but obviously, as you can see, it's not easy to read. So you might be able to tell which apps they are using from looking at this, but it's not easy. So you can see here, push all is being used. And if you take these links one by one, you might find out which apps they are using. But obviously this is not very user friendly and you have to know what you're doing. So if you don't want to deal with all of this in order to find out what a store uses, and maybe you want more information about that store, like the amount of traffic they are getting and other useful information, you can go ahead and install the Koala Inspector. This is a Chrome extension that you can install in your browser and you can gain access to a lot of information about Shopify stores by using it. They have a free tier, so you can go ahead and try it out. So if I go to my store, I have the Chrome extension installed, and once I click it, I'm gonna get the Koala Inspector here on the right. And I gain access to a lot of information. So now, for example, I know that this store is from the US. The theme they are using is the Dawn theme. You can tell that by how the theme is styled, and by these icons here. You can see the traffic of the store, the products they have. This is the dashboard where you get like a summary of everything. If you click here, you can go on different tabs to see different information, like for example, what traffic this website has. This is a very important information that you cannot find out otherwise. The only way you can find out this information is by actually having access to that store. So if you're spying on someone, you will never get this information otherwise. You can see their stores, keywords and targeting. So their main countries are United States, Germany, Switzerland, and United Kingdom. Now, knowing that, we can go ahead and check if they have any ad campaigns running right now. So if you click on this tab here, you will see the information about their ad campaigns. And as you can see, they run 4 campaigns on Google, 6 on Facebook, and 6 on Instagram. And you can actually see the ads so that you know exactly what they are advertising. No longer you will have to guess or search for them. You will see everything in here, the ads they are running on Instagram, the videos, the text, and everything that you might need to get inspired from. So if you like the numbers so far, you may want to know what is the structure of the store, and that means what theme they are using, what apps they are using, and so on. We already know that they are using the Dawn theme, and here are the apps they have installed. You can have a look at each of them, and if you find anything interesting, of course, you can copy it to your store. Then, if you are doing dropshipping, you want to get ideas for products, this is a great way of getting inspired, because if you go here under the products tab, you can see all the products they have on the store. You can sort them by best selling or new products they've added, but the best selling tab is the one that you should focus on, and you can look at these products that you have here at the top. And if it happens that you like one of these items here, you can click on them and see more details, see the landing page they have. And if you decide this fits to your store, you can easily go back and click this Find Retailers button. And this tab will give you information about where you can find the exact item so that you can source it on your store. If you scroll down, you'll see all these suppliers, and this one, for example, is from AliExpress. So you can then follow the link and find the exact item that they have there. Probably this store has their products branded. You can have that done too, but if you're in the beginning, you can easily find the same items by using this retailers tab. Whenever you find a product like that, you can also favorite it so that you can search for it later. Once you click this heart here, you will be able to find that product later. So after researching for a while, you might have a long list. You just have to go here to favorite products, and then your favorite products will be listed in here. And not only you can favorite products from different stores, you can actually favorite stores. If you go back in the menu, you see that you have this tab here, track shops, and you can add in here shops that you like. I've added this too, so whenever I want to check updates from MrBeast, for example, I just click here, view changes. By clicking this button, I gain access to all the changes MrBeast has done to his website recently. You can see here the products that have been removed, products that have been added, and so on. To favorite a store, you just have to click this button here, track shop, and it will be added to your tracked shops. You will be able to find it in here, and you will be able to view changes later once they populate. Finding the right inspiration is key to building a successful Shopify store. But it's not just about copying what works, it's about understanding why something works and adapting it to your own strategy. The right inspiration can give you the blueprint, but it's up to you to make it your own and make your own mark in the world. By the way, if you're serious about maximizing your store's potential and making sure your performance isn't holding you back, don't let sluggish speeds cost you money. Check out the video right there to learn how to optimize your Shopify store and unlock its full earning potential. Trust me, you don't want to leave money on the table because of its slow loading times.